Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer games to your PlayStation 5 from your PS4 or maybe even your PS5. So to do this, let's go to settings and scroll on down. Now the first thing we want to do is make sure we're on the same network. So if you got it wired or something like that, I'm going to switch on over to my wireless network so I'm on the same network as my PS5 in the other room. So I know this is under Scump right here, so I'm going to select it. And I'm going to go from my wired LAN over to my wireless network, and then I should be able to detect my console when I start searching for it. So let's go back to the main settings menu here and go on down to system. Then you can see system software. Let's go to the right and go down to data transfer. Then select this and go to continue. Now it says if you have already a PS4 or another PS5, you can transfer your data to the PS5. Okay, so let's go to continue. It says please wait. Now let's prepare for transfer. So let's go to continue. And it says searching for your other console. Look for anything on my home network right now, and it should detect it if it is turned on. So if it's in rest mode or anything like that, I'm going to go turn it on just to make sure it shows up under this list. So it looks like my console was found. It's called Timbot PS5. So let's select it with X and then go to continue here. It says prepare for data transfer. Within the time limit, press the power button on your other PS5 for 1 second until it beeps. So I got to run over to my other PS5 and press the power button. All right, now it says please wait, and I'm going to be able to select games now and transfer it over to my PS5 Pro. Now it says your data will be transferred in these two steps. Step 1, transfer user account information, save data in other console settings. Then step 2, transfer screenshots, video clips, games, and apps after restart. So let's go to OK. Then we can see all this information right here. So user data. So if you got multiple accounts, this is very easy. So let's go to start transfer. Are you sure you want to start the data transfer? Some of the PS5 changes can't be undone. So it looks like I have 4 gigabytes of user data. Then I got games and apps. So if you want to choose the games and apps and stuff, there's this little edit option right here. We can select it. So I definitely want to transfer like all my different accounts on to here. And then I can go to the edit option one more time. And I don't need to do my screenshots or my video clips or anything like that, but I probably want my saved data from all my games. If I'm playing like Minecraft or something, that would be nice to have all my worlds and stuff. So let's go to OK. So I got that there. Then I can go over to confirm, and then I got my games and apps. So let's look at this. I got Minecraft right here. And is this just my saved data? These files aren't very large. So I got Rocket League, 35 gigabytes. Multiverse is 16. So yeah, some of these are very small games. I got Battlefield 1. That's already installed. So I don't know. Let's go on over to confirm. Now it's going to give you an estimate. It says 2 hours and 59 minutes to transfer all this over. It literally would be quicker for me to just download it from the internet. So if you got really, really quick internet, you know, that's something to consider. So I think I'm just going to transfer over the console settings and the user data. Maybe I'll get rid of the console settings. Just some of the user data right here. And then I should be good. So let's start the transfer. It shouldn't take that long now. So let's go to yes. And it's preparing the transfer right now. And it says it may take a few minutes to restart your other console. So it's going to be doing that. And then eventually it should go ahead and finish. Now it says after the PS5 restarts, the data transfer will continue in the background. To check the transfer progress, go to download/uploads in the control center. You can start playing the games or use any of the data that's already been transferred. So this is just going to run for a while. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Gaming.